See, I tell you very fair, regarding Rohingyas, I tell you, Rohingyas like migration, it is a natural part, we understand that. But problem is, being in Telangana, right now I'm in Telangana right now, my house is in Telangana also. Migration, the entire Telangana statehood happened because people from other regions come here, settle here, we are losing the jobs. This is between same nation, Vakate Rashtra. At the same time, we are two different states. And majority of them are Hindus, majority of them are whichever caste is in Telangana, the same caste is there back in Andhra. Whichever religion is there back in here in on Telangana, back there it is in Andhra. The problem is if too much of non-locals get the job, that's how Telangana got separated. Nidlu Niyamakalu. Yeah. ఇలాంటి సమయంలో in this kind of situation what we had to do, imagine some other nation ఎక్కడో మన మియాన్మార్ గొడవల వల్ల రోహింగ్యాస్ అందరూ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేస్తే what about the locals here? Forget about humanitarian issues. What about the local? Eventually it will become a ruckus. It will become an issue here in future. That's the reason why every nation has to secure their own borders. They have to go for their own development because India is going big, India is getting better. That doesn't mean every country has to dump their citizens onto our nation. We cannot afford it. No, it's not. I think everyone has a responsibility, including the Honorable CM of Telangana has a responsibility. They will do it anyhow. I don't have to tell them. గాంధీ మార్గం చెప్పేసి సహనం అని చెప్పి దేశాన్ని ఇక్కడ దాకా పట్టుకొచ్చారు. చావు కొట్టండి మేము భరిస్తాం, మీరు హిందువులా కాదని అడిగి చంపండి మేము భరిస్తాం. I think we have to put an end for this too much of like an understanding. I think it's enough. Thank you.